Paintenance Melbourne presents how to use a Linbide tool.
Here we are, slowly Linbiding the run of paint, which was a bit of a build up there. However, if we carefully do that, mind you, it's going to be a very sharp blade, and with the Linbide tool, if you're patient and do it carefully, you'll probably get very good results without sanding it. And it could possibly be even touched up, depending on how you use the tool, and just to achieve a very smooth surface again, getting rid of that lumpy overrun.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. You can find out more about us at www.paintenancemelbourne.com.au.